Welcome to another video from Dr. Lock. I thought I'd have a quick look at these two tools. One of them is made by KLOM, and the other one is made by some company that has like a little bull logo with NIU on it. So they look almost same to same. When you look at them, everything looks the same. But when I look very closely, and I'll look very closely and show you now, just wait for that to focus here. Now on this particular tool here, I can tell that the end of the points are flat. That's on the KLOM. On this one here, the end of the points seem to be a little bit dome shaped. So they've specially tipped these tips and they've got a little bit of an arc on it. If you can kind of see it there. See in the light? See the shape on the end? That's that one there, and this is the KLOM one. They're much flatter. I can see a little bit of lubrication, some sort of grease here as well on this sliding section. That's a little bit different as well. Slides in very nicely. This one right here slides in. It's a little bit more dry. So I'll zoom back out a bit. So as far as size wise, they are identical. As far as features, they are identical. These are 7.8. We use these a lot in Australia. This is like our standard type of tubular cam lock. That's the standard size we use quite a bit. So looking at it now, I can't see any difference. The knurling is the same depth. The anodization is slightly different. The cases are even the same. They both come with a decoding tool. So same for same. But when I pick up the KLM, it just feels better. The tips look better. This little driver pin in here was at the back, so that did not come installed. When I was actually just using it on a lock just a moment ago, I could feel the KLOM felt better. Just pushing it around a bit, just getting a bit of a feel for it. Now with this one right here, when I did the same, when I reset these pins here, the actual needles go past. They go past the tip. So you just can't push them all in to get it reset, which means I've got to use an Allen key now and reset this. So straight out of the box, not very good. With the KLOM, when I push them all the way forward, they're already calibrated to where they need to be. So that was good. The next big difference I noticed about these two tools, the reason I got two is because I bought one, put it aside, couldn't find it, bought another, because they are reasonably cheap. So I bought this one first, and I've just tried this now on this lock here, which is a 7.8 lock. And what I'm finding is, it's very difficult to even get that in. It's not even going in. Not going in. And it's clearly marked 7.8 right here. This one right here marks 7.8 as well, and I push it in and it slides in there perfectly, like it should, like a pick should. So it's KLM Locksmith Tool model SH-7.8, and I'm fairly happy with the KLOM ones. I don't think I'll ever buy another one from this other manufacturer. It just seems ridiculous. It did come with this practice picking tool, but just the quality in the end of it, not being synced in, not being lubricated, I think it is a little bit of a cheaper tool. If not, it's just not properly finished off. They look spec for spec the same. I'm just looking at the metal finishing. They are different manufacturers. They definitely are different manufacturers. I can tell by the milling section here, the actual material that's been used here, it's been ground, as where this one's done on a lathe. So there definitely is a difference. Which one would I pick over what? I would pick the KLOM, just for pure quality, feel, the tips, everything seems to be better. So just to go through with the decoding tool is just a piece of stainless. It's marked, it's pretty straightforward. There's no real difference there. It's going to do what it's going to do. So yeah, when you're out there looking for these, stick with the KLOM brand, I think. Leave your comments down below, and thanks for watching.